Hello, my name is Wesley Sapto, and today I'll be showing you a basic electrical routing example in SOLIDWORKS. Kindly note that to make use of the electrical routing feature within SOLIDWORKS, you need to be in possession of a SOLIDWORKS preview package. To activate the routing feature, you'll simply click on your drop-down arrow and click on Add-ins. Right next to your routing, you will simply activate the routing feature as well as activate it upon startup. Once you have your design ready, you simply click on the electrical tab, and today we will be starting by drag and drop. On the right hand side, your electrical library opens, and I will be making use of a ring terminal. By simply drag and drop, I hover over the section to create an automatic mate. My sub-assembly type I would like to have as a cable or wire. It has an automatic OD detection, and in this instance it is in inches. I simply say OK, and now I can simply drag and drop where else I need my ring terminals. So now I simply click on the point, and now on the other point, and just like that I have my first wire connected. Right now we can just continue our circuit. We click on the from point, just like that, and our to point, just like that. Looks good, eh? So now my final connection points, from and to, and then my wire appears. I simply say OK, and now I am going to edit my wires to make sure that it shows the according colors. I click on my add wires. I multi-select the wires I would like to have. I say add and OK. So on the left hand side you will see my wires in a list form. I know which one I would like to have as my blue wire. So my component reference, which should be the from, number 1, my pin is number 1 because I only have one pin, and my 2 is right there, and there my wire is. And then you'll simply see that that relationship is now satisfied. I simply do the exact same for my other components. Make sure it's on pin 1, and then also for my white wire, from component to component. Everyone's happy. I simply now exit and exit, and now I can see my electrical routing. Be sure to subscribe and enable to like, share, subscribe, and enable those notifications to not miss any future Mecad minutes. Have a lovely day further. Stay safe. Bye-bye.